Sometimes it's really hard to track all the transactions you make. This is especially true when some of your trades were made long time ago and with different exchanges. The next tool that I'd like to tell you about can be very useful for that. It's called Cointracking, and you can find it in the URL of www.cointracking.info. Cointracking allows you to easily track everything you have in one place and have a clear picture of your overall portfolio performance at any given moment. This is very important also for legal purposes such as tax reports, as it helps you in evaluating all the relevant information in an organized way. You can easily import your trades using an Excel CSV file, or you can use their API import that will do it for you automatically and save you the time of dealing with it. In addition to that, they offer some nice analysis features including new data and historical charts, news, indicators and forecasts. They also have an app you can download and use from any device and tutorials with simple explanations of how to effectively use their platform. Many people work with them, and as you can see, they have a good reputation with positive reviews and recommendations from high authority websites. So this is a tool you definitely want to check out if you are serious about trading crypto. Another popular tool that helps you monitor your cryptocurrency trading activity is Blockfolio, which is a really nice free app that you can use both in Android and iOS mobile devices. A lot of traders like to use this service to monitor their portfolio as it is very easy to use and user-friendly. You can see what's going on with your crypto invested money at any moment without needing to calculate anything by yourself. In addition to information of the specific currencies you bought, you get data of more than 80 online exchanges. Based on this large database, you can see information such as live charts and detailed order books. Other features you can use with them are live news, direct updates from the coin's development team, and price alerts you can set to get notifications to your mobile device whenever your price target is reached. Another tool I want to talk about is not really related to day trading, but it's definitely related to the cryptocurrency money you make and own. The security of your crypto money is something you must be aware of, because with the rising in popularity of digital coins, there is also an increase in hacking cases, and the problem is that no one can help you if it happens. So the best thing to do is to be cautious and keep your currencies safe. One of the ways to secure your Bitcoin is by using a cold storage wallet. With this type of wallet, your coins are held offline. It means that it's not connected to the internet, and therefore make it almost impossible for hackers to steal it from you. Now, it's not convenient to put all your currencies there, because you will need some of them for day-to-day use. But if you hold a large amount of coins, what you can do is to keep the majority of them in cold storage wallet and keep online only the part you need for the shorter period of time. There are different services for cold storage. Some are more reliable than others, and each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. One of the more popular ones is one that I personally got to use, and this is the Ledger Nano S. This is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet which is reliable and works really well. You can see it here at www.ledgerwallet.com. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies and can be connected to any computer device using a USB plug. There are many safety features, and I invite you to read more about it. But for now, we are just having a quick look so you have an initial idea of how it works. After connecting your Nano S using a USB, you can check and confirm each transaction. You can also set a PIN code, stronger authentication, and even backup everything for extra security. Really, there are many great features for this product. So if you want to use a cold storage wallet, this is definitely one of the best options. It's secured, easy to use, and supports all of these coins. But there are also other good services out there you can use. Just make sure you choose one which have high reputation and is reliable.